In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quantile plot. To do this, you're going to need two vectors of numerical values whose distributions you'd like to compare. And that's what I have over here. I have an x vector and a y vector. You'll notice the x vector has 100 data values and the y vector has 500 data values. Now to make a quantile plot, you just use the QQPLOT command. It's just QQPLOT, and then you throw in the two vectors you need. Doesn't matter which order. The first one's going to go along the horizontal axis. The second one's going to go along the vertical axis. And there's other options you can type in here for coloring it and putting the labels on it. But for right now, we just want to see the plot. And you just type it in like that, and it brings a plot back for you. Now, you might think this looks an awful lot like a scatter plot, but there are differences, and we'll go over most of the differences in class. But the thing I want to point out to you right now is, note again, these are different lengths. So a scatter plot, I'd have to have the same length vectors for each, so everybody comes in pairs. And also, just to convince you a little bit more, if I look at this, my x vector here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth option there is 13.7, and on the y1, the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth option is 6. So if I come over to 13, which is right about here, you'll notice there's not a dot up around where 6 would be. So it's not actually plotting like a scatter plot. So I just want to make that clear to you. But that's how you can go about making a quantile plot.